Ladies and gentlemen, are you looking for a quality house that you can call a home for you and your family that is actually affordable? Welcome to the Essex. The amazing part about this home is not even just the quality, but the way that MI Homes is incentivizing you to buy it. Mind you, I'm not sponsored by MI Homes. You just can't ignore a good deal. This is actually, so the incentive they're offering is going to be a 4.8 interest rate for your whole mortgage. And mind you, if you were to buy one of the 4 Essex that are going to be done by April, you are also going to be featured a 2-1 buy down, meaning that you will be paying meaning you will be having a 2.8% interest rate on your first year, a 3.8 on your second, and then finally on your third to the end of your mortgage, a 4.8 interest rate. Sometimes in life there's these things that are just too good to be true, and it's amazing when you can find one that doesn't have a catch, right? Where it's just like, no, this is like actually just good. This is just amazing, right? Now, this is gonna have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an office space, a loft, and a ginormous basement. This is a home that you can, this is a house that you and your family can actually call home. Welcome to the Essex. Let me show you around. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome to Chicagoland Suburban Realtor channel. I'm actually just going around all of Chicagoland, going through new construction tours, showing you the incentives, showing you how possible it is to actually get a brand new home. You don't have to buy these homes made from 2000 that are priced the same as the new construction. If you're thinking about selling, buying, investing in the Chicagoland area, go ahead and click one of those links below in the description. It's going to help you go ahead and get in contact with me, whether it's a scheduled call on Zoom or just my direct number. Feel free to reach out. Let's get on with the tour. Now on your left, that is where your 3-car garage is going to be. Piper Glen is going to fall inside of Oswego School District 308. Now, it's actually ranked top 50% of all school districts in Illinois, which also carries a 94% graduation rate above the state average. That's a number worth knowing if schools are a part of your decision. Now, maybe you're thinking, I don't really need an office space. That's completely okay. We actually can build this into an in-law suite. And if you're building from ground up, we can turn this space back here into a morning room. You're gonna have a Target, a Meijer, Walmart, and Aldi all within 5 minutes on Route 34. So you have your groceries, home goods, gas, it's all right there. The Route 34 corridor also has everything you need for your day-to-day. So you're gonna have your local restaurants, your fast casual dining. You're not driving 20 minutes for dinner or a coffee run. Now, downtown Oswego has its own dining scene. So you're gonna have local spots, small businesses, seasonal events, all worth exploring if you like supporting local. If you're considering new construction in Oswego and want someone who will walk you through the process clearly, call or text me at 352-442-1110 or comment Oswego below and I'll send you over my new construction buyer guide. Community is still developing, which means you're buying into something that's going to keep growing as it fills out. When Piper Glen is fully built out, there will be over 300 homes here. Right now, you're early. The community is still taking shape. Buying into a master plan community before it's complete typically puts you on the right side of appreciation. this community is on your list, or if you're trying to figure out whether new construction makes sense for your situation, I'm happy to have that conversation. No pressure, just clarity. Call or text me at 352-442-1110.